Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can switch accounts on Google TasksBoard. Now, if you have more than one Google account that you're using, maybe you have separate projects and you want to switch between one Google account and one Google TasksBoard to another, it's quite simple. Of course, you need to be signed into the account that you want to move away from. So for example, this is the account, right? So once we are here, you want to look towards your upper right corner most of your screen. This is going to be your profile option, and when you click on this small pop-up will appear, and on the middle option it says switch account, right? So all we need to do is click on this switch account option like so. It's going to show you whatever account you have signed on your Google account on your PC, and pardon me for blurring because privacy, and just choose the Google account you want to switch to, right? So for example, we want to switch to this first Google account here. Wait for it to load. There you go. Now it's going to fetch our tasks. So there we go. This is our primary Google account for this TasksBoard. So that's how you switch between two tasks or Google TasksBoard accounts. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.